the best scenario is we've got to reach out to that distributor, right? And we got to let them know, hey, and not in an evil way, but hey, I just wanted to give you guys, some feedback on what's going on. I totally understand you guys are slammed. I totally understand you guys are busy. I totally understand this and that. But this is what I'm hearing back from the client. Again, that's just one side of the story. But I just wanted to share this with you. And anything I can do in the future to help make sure these things go great, both, for you guys, so that client, because by the way, the client ended up going with somebody else, are not losing market share and brand recognition. And then also for my clients, and then selfishly, I wanted to raise my hand and let you know, I want to make sure that the client's happy because then they do more business with me. So I'd reach out on the distributor side. Here's what I would do in the future with clients, right? If you have to send them over, I would say, listen, here's the thing. I am going to call in whatever, I'm unable to sell this to you because of the way everything works. It is what it is. Right? I have to go through a distributor. I'm going to call in all of my favors that I can with this distributor. I'm going to reach out. I'm going to send you over to them. I'm going to give them however that process is, right? You're going to get them over that process. I'm going to call in whatever favors I can, okay? That being said, I know based on experience that I've had in the past that you're probably not going to receive the service that you're used to receiving from me. I am by no means saying that as a sales pitch, and I'm by no means saying that to say anything bad about them. I'm just saying it's a different universe, it's a different sales process, all of that. I am going to call in as many favors as I can to make sure your thing goes great. I'm going to ask you for a favor in return, right? Number one, if it doesn't go great, or if you're having anything, just at least let me know. I'll step in where I can, when I can, if I can. And then also, if anything falls off sorts, just realize this. I'm doing everything I can to make sure on this, and I just don't want it jeopardizing my relationship with you because you're important to me, right? And they'll be like, dude, I appreciate the heads up, Sean. And then they're going to leave that conversation more locked in with you, whether that distributor screws it up or not. So the recipe is, I'm going to call in every favor that I have with them to make sure. And that's why I wanted you to reach out to them. I'd maybe reach out and say, I'm sending somebody over. Anything you can do to take care of them would mean the world to me, right? But you've also let them know there's only so much you can do, right? You only have so loud of a voice over there, and it's a different system. It's a different ecosystem, right? And you've had customers get lost in that ecosystem before. And you're not saying that to make yourself look good, and you're not saying that to make them look bad. You're saying that because you care about them, and you don't want them to feel slighted. If they do feel slighted, please let me know, because again, that's, I can try and be a voice for you, an advocate for you on this side. I can do what I can, which is oftentimes not a lot, but then also could you please just not hold that against me? And I think that's a great way to just tee everything up that Sean cares, Sean's doing everything he can, and Sean tries whether it's his business or not his business. So it kind of, you're taking a bad situation and just making yourself look great, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I'm absolutely gonna try that.
Awesome.
And I'm sure you've had it before too, where
1000%.
You have the deal closed and then you got to pass it over and it falls apart, right?
Both externally and internally. And that's a real heartbreaker when it's your own company, right? And somebody else from your own company screws it up. And you're having to call favors within your own company, which is why I was saying, if there's anything you can do to skillfully let them know, you'll be shocked at how I have in the past in situations like yours, and I didn't think this would ever happen, but they're like, you have to call the distributor line. And I just, without being a complainer, without being a whistleblower, hey, I just wanted to let you know this. And the reason why I wanted to let you know this is I totally understand you guys are slammed. I totally understand you guys are overwhelmed. You got a lot going on. We have an excellent product. The reason why I wanted to reach out to you personally is the exact words that I heard from my client are, we're going someplace else. And that breaks my heart because I know your stuff is awesome. I know your brand is bulletproof, but I know it doesn't take too many of those people to start spreading the word. And the next thing you know, they're going, you're starting to lose market share, right? I wanted to give you a heads up, raise my hand, let you know, right? And they're gonna be, oh man, thanks. Dude, and then they're gonna be like, dude, in the future, okay? My name's Ron. I'm the RVP of sales. Sean, any deals you have, here's what I want you to do. I want you to CC me when you send them, and I just want you to call me. I got you covered, right? And then it's like, problem solved. But that's why I wanted you to reach out internally, but not in a, hey, I want to let you know you guys screwed up. Hey, and you guys are awesome. And I don't know how the customer interpreted it, but when I start hearing things like we went somewhere else, that freaks me out for the brand. If that makes sense.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.